Dean here, and everybody's been saying to me, hey, my tomatoes are rotting at the end. Oh, my zucchinis are rotting at the end. Oh, I'm getting all these crooked cucumbers. The reason is it's called calcium deficiency. You have blossom end rot is what they call it. So what are we going to do for the calcium? All of my eggshells for the calcium. We've got the dried eggshells. We're going to put them in the blender. Whoa, look at that. And we're going to pulse it here a few times. And now we're going to put them in water. We're going to use 1 cup of eggshells to 1 gallon of water, and we're going to let them sit in there for an hour. That'll help extract all the calcium, and then you're going to water each plant really heavily. You're going to put 1 gallon on each plant very slowly. That'll kickstart them so that you won't have any more blossom end rot in your zucchini, your tomatoes, or even your cucumbers or melons. So the eggshells aren't going to completely dissolve in the water, but so just pour everything right on the plant. Whatever in there, just pour it on.